This is one way to get around. It takes more skill than most of us have. So for really going places, we recommend the great new Edsel. For full 6-passenger comfort, Edsel gives you more room, more size, more of everything. Edsel is built to be the most distinctive car on the road with no trace of look-alike styling. Yet Edsel is now actually priced down in the low price field with many models of Plymouth, Chevrolet, and Ford. Edsel takes bumps like this in its stride. You see, Edsel gives you a big car luxury ride, a big car rugged suspension system, and oversized springs, foam rubber front seat cushions, and a big 120-inch wheelbase for big car roadability. Power? You can custom tailor your power to your needs from these 4 engines Edsel offers, including 2 V8s and a thrifty 6 that give you eye-opening performance on regular gas. Remember, Edsel is now priced down in the low price field with many models of Plymouth, Chevrolet, and Ford. It's a king-size value in the low price field. So don't spare the horses. Visit your Edsel dealer and treat yourself to an eye-opening demonstration drive. See, sit in, and drive the best car buy in America, the 1959 Edsel.